Yeah, good morning. Happy Verisit. Asap cara kerat chafur. Puya pure raboga. Bj. Welcome back again to another video. We're gonna go eat. If you call our phone, please stop calling because we're gonna go and enjoy our food. Okay. Before I start the video, if you like the hat, check out the merch. Support us, M3E. And in the meantime, I'm gonna Bj yapot aterrati vekki nerian kukuro. Oh yeah, Bj.
Hi, good morning from Seattle.
Good morning from Seattle. Okay, we'll see you guys inside. Huh? Let's look at the menu. Yes, short ribs. Okay. I'm gonna try to film as fast as I can to avoid getting the music in. Well, in the meantime, Bj views know what life. Nasa pa pwede ya. Kagroklor. Napagkasapkan mira Bj po yi. Apon breakfast. Breakfast pancake. Minute breakfast beef. Ooh, Angus beef. Anyway, guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Just a quick recap. We just came back from Bj. We want to say once again thank you to our family back home. Thank you for everything. And if you are new to our channel, this is M3E. Welcome to another video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and help us out and subscribe. Also, I'm wearing one of our merch. If you want to support our channel or our YouTube channel, feel free to check out our website and check out the merch that we have. Other than that, I also uploaded a video from our trip to Bj. That's the first part. There will be another one coming up shortly or after. But yeah, please go ahead and go check that out. And again, drop a like, share our videos, and also just a heads up, I will be doing a wedding video this weekend. Hopefully you guys show up there so you guys can say hi to her or be part of the video. And yeah, there's gonna be more wedding videos coming up. All right, thank you. All right, that's the broth. That's the broth we have. We got the mushroom, and then we got just the regular. They come with different sauce or different base, but soup base. We didn't want to take the hot one, the spicy one. At kasi in my room, but the 30 page kan. She got 30 page now.
Okay.
Okay. The only good thing about filming this morning is there's not a lot of people because this place is usually packed. So this is the only right time to come and eat so you don't get interrupted or have too many people in the restaurant. So Bj is getting his sauce and all the goodies. Okay. So on the side dish, we have hot wings, kimchi, and they have some other things. Okay. Grab check. We got the what's that? The prime.
What kind of food do you like?
I like you don't know. That's the good ribs. Thing. Ano ito rin?
Soup ka tanong. Yan mo. Nagtinan.
Soup.
Soup.
Moving secretary Aira.
Iyan na Yuki. Ay,
Oh, iya. That's a problem. Iya, you feel like
You know, i-check ato rin kit may ganun.
bawa mo na ito. Ito, guys. Ha?
Push auto.
Uy, wala.
Okay.
Ito na?
Masipon mo pa. At meron pa.
Oof.
Pero tibalik ko. Iya, sudah kayo metro. Yuki, everyone was that. Ano sige po nga queen tapos queen na lazy. So malas invite. Oh, sunod na invite ko ng flood. Ano, ito, try kaya sa ito. Kung ay na answer off.
Ay bitaw, ayaw rin kanip po. Crap.
Manikari yun? Na.
What? Ito.
Someone to
Okay.
that's a fucking yeah.
Kailan mo long lines?
Ayaw karip po.
Okay, na. Slow like it. Oh,
Give me one push.
Oh,
It's fine.
Yes, thank you. Saigori kahvi tuba. Ewa sa simnat. We are so full. We didn't even finish all the meat. E karap nga pitche karap fire. Afang ne.
init lang.
Afang ne wo. Afang malili. Yeah, so we was. Yeah, so was. I'm just starting. Chiguti pitche kapa. Nagpatore tarak kamu. Afang pitche. Mga pa saigori kaira. Saigori. Saigori. That guys, we're finishing up, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, once again, go ahead and help us out and subscribe. If you haven't watched the last video, please go back and watch the first one. Come back and then watch the second one. Then come back and watch this one. All right. Again, merch in the description. Oh wait, if you wanna, there you go.
Ayos lang. Anyways. 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 I'm so full. And please, later ka na lang.
Subscribe.
Subscribe the video or YouTube channel for the president. Yeah, thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys later because I'm too full.
Okay, thank you. See you guys. Bye bye. Okay, we're going back. Going back home. Bye, Pitchy. Oh, Pitchy is in the back door. Pitchy is in the back door. Alright, heading back to the house and take more naps because we're still tired from traveling. 2 days of travel. See you guys now in Vancouver. Peace out. Don't forget the merch. Help us out. Subscribe. Check out the merch. Peace. Alright. Bye-bye.
Hi. Oh, try it.
Alright. Mm. That's good. Where's my butterscotch?
Thank you.
This is our dessert. After the big meal, this is our dessert.
Alright, Bj. Kiso. Kiso, usapan mo ka.
So, maybe. So, since sokop ata mo, way sa dessert na kind of like sweet and flavor. Wait, Tiron, arpil dan pinilin ya ko aram yung mo. Yung may kastatan. Peanut.
RPS ka, kami si RPS ka katarawit siya, ba magka-challenge.
Immediate.
Kaya challenge real, may sakal mo siya katon. Sakal mo siya support.
Please.
Like and subscribe. Okay. See you guys. Bye-bye. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Okay.